Your warehouse is the engine of your business, but manual data entry from packing slips keeps it stuck in first gear. The frustration, delays, errors, and wasted hours. What if you could automate it all? Meet MyWave's AI Agent, the smarter, faster way to process packing slips into goods receipt orders. Here's how it works. First, upload a packing slip. MyWave's AI coworker extracts every detail, quantities, item codes, and totals with unmatched precision. Next, MyWave validates the data in real time, cross-referencing SAP master data to ensure everything matches perfectly. Once validated, MyWave creates a goods receipt order in SAP that's ready for seamless posting. Finally, you can review and approve. MyWave makes exception handling simple and intuitive. No more manual errors. No more wasted time. MyWave's AI learns, adapts, and integrates seamlessly into your SAP workflows. By eliminating manual entry, MyWave gives your team 50% more time to focus on tasks that truly matter. The result? Faster warehouse operations, fewer errors, and a team that's free to focus on growing your business. It's time to leave outdated methods behind.